Okay guys, today we are going to do a Porsche Macan. All keys lost, and customer has lost all his keys. I will be adding 2 keys, and also I will be doing an engine start for him, so stay tuned. With the engine start, we made customer 2 keys. One went to with the engine start module and one in here, so let's test this. Unlock. 1, 2, 3. Takes a couple of seconds. And you can just pull in, unlock the car, and put the key in. Turn the key to on position and drive. Here you go. Thank you very much for watching. This is Locksmith. Call us for your key service needs. Thank you.